Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to open your account on 8EIGHTCAP challenge propfirm.com. Alright, this is the link. All you need to do is copy the link right here. Once you copy the link, now you're going to go to your Chrome browser. You go to your Chrome browser right here. If you're using Chrome, you go to your Chrome browser. Now once you click on your Chrome browser, all you need to do is tap right here, then paste in the link you copied. All right, you're gonna paste in the link you copied. Now you load it. Now you're going to wait for it to load. All right, now once you wait for it to load, I have logged in my account already, but if you have not logged in your account, all you need to do is click on the challenge right here. Click on challenges. Right, this is where you're going to click right here on these challenges. You click on it. Now if you haven't logged in on your account, or if you're new to this phase of the interface, all you need to do is click on this two-phase account right here. You click on it. Now you're going to select the account you want to buy. Is it 5,000? Now you click on it. Now once you click on 5,000 challenge account, all you need to do, you're going to input in your details right here. All you need to do right here, you're going to input in your details. As you can see, my details are already in on this platform, so you're just going to input in your details right here. And after inputting in your details, you're going to apply the code that we will be giving you if you use our link to register. Now once you apply the code, you select the platform you want to use. Is it MT5 or MT4? After that, you put in your full name, then your credit card. Do you want to pay with crypto? Then after all of that, you click on this confirm that you have acknowledged everything. Now if you click on it, you can place your order right here. And once you place your order, they are going to send you your login details. Like I just got an account, so I'm going to show you how the login details looks like. Alright, so now if you log in, this is your dashboard and this is how your account is looking. And you can see right here 8EIGHTCAP. Alright, so you can see my profit target. Phase 1 is 10%, and currently I'm in a profit of $107 right there. And you can see minimum trading days is 3 days. Alright, so that's it, and everything you're going to be seeing right here. So don't forget to click the link in the description to register with our link to get 50% discount on each process you do on this platform 8EIGHTCAP. It's a Propfirm and it's reliable and trusted. So click on the link in the description to get started with your Propfirm joining, especially if you don't have enough personal funds to trade. This is the best time for you to level up your trading journey. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get started with 8EIGHTCAP Propfirm.